About time I got a new one for my bicycle and the paving. Don't you just love new bits and pieces set? Wonder if they'll stay in the same place. We will see. Is it for me, bro? Yeah. Right, so about time I got one. 99 squid from Screwfix. Because I gotta clean that guy. And also, saunas, you need to clean them as well. That's fairy liquid in the back there, by the way. And that's the from the metal chair that sits in there. Yeah, because you're sweating it, don't you? So you've got to pressure wash it. All I can tell you is do not underestimate Titan. It is well good, and that's with a hose pipe leak, nothing to do with the machine. And one over there too. So much fun. What else can we blast? Just imagine if it had full power of water going into it. Yes, man. Titan. 100 quid. Rate it. Yes, boss. Clean boss.